Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Lipstick Amore. My name is Jyoti and what I have for you today is Colourpop's Secret Stash box. This box is worth $29, but it's valued at $61. I don't know what to think. What's gonna be in this box? I'm kind of excited and I just hope I'm not disappointed, and I hope I get stuff that I already don't have, because I do have a lot of Colourpop stuff. Oh my god, you guys, I had to pop in here. Sorry for the interruption, but I had ordered Colourpop's Secret Stash box for $29, and I filmed the video and I uploaded it last night thinking it was a $29 box, until this morning I woke up and I saw all these comments that it's the mega box. So I ordered the $29 box, but Colourpop sent me the mega box, which will cost you $89.
And it says Secret Stash on the slip in the box, which is $29, but I got the mega box.
So I don't know if Colourpop charged my credit card $89 or $29, but I just wanted to let you guys know this is the mega box. So if you had seen my other video, which I uploaded last night, I'm going to make that video private. So just in case you saw that video, I want to let you know that that was not the Secret Stash $29 box, that was the mega box. Thank you. Bye. Get back to the video now. Ah! Okay, close my eyes. What is this? Oh, that's just some cards. Close my eyes, close my eyes, close my... Ooh. Ooh! Jelly Much Shadow. I don't have these because I thought, like, whatever, who needs a Jelly Much Shadow? But I'm really happy that I got a Jelly Much Shadow, so now I can actually try it out. I've never, ever, ever tried a Jelly Much Shadow. It's super cute. Aww. Nice oh! I didn't know it was glittery. This should be cool. I like it. Ooh. I actually really like this. The application seems like it's gonna be really easy to apply. I don't know why I thought that the Jelly Much shadows were not glittery, that they were like just like Vaseline or something. This is pretty cool. Okay, so I got one Jelly Much shadow and the other one here is a Super Shock Cheek. Ah! This is in the shade Wisp. It's a strange shade. I'm not sure if it's gonna work on me. Ooh, the texture is so satisfying. Alright, what else is in here? Okay, cream gel color from their BFF. What is this? Cream gel color matte 21 CS is called Sour Candy. So, okay, so it's like a creamy matte shade. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this one. Like, it sticks a lot to your skin, kind of tacky. It's called Cream Shadow, maybe from their desert sort of collection. Cute packaging. Probably can't see it, but this one feels more creamy compared to the other one, which felt a little more tacky. So the creme shadow is more creamy and the creme gel color is a little more tacky. Single shadow pressed glitter from them. Another one here. Here it is. So I guess I'm gonna need like a magnetic palette from them. What is this? Ooh, chamomile face milk from 4th Ray Beauty. Let's just smell it. Ooh. It smells kind of nice. It's a very subtle smell. It's not overpowering in any way, and feels soft on the hands. It makes my hands feel really soft, but at the same time, you can kind of feel the product on your hands too. So it's not the most absorbent. Maybe it'll absorb a little bit over time. Like you can kind of see the shine, but it's not a hand moisturizer, so maybe you do want a little bit of glow to your face. Let me just give you a sneak peek. This is the stuff that's remaining in here. I see a lot of lippies, or maybe they're like shadow sticks. This is so great. I think maybe I should get their other box. This is so much fun. Like they need to do this more. This is a quad. So this one is What a Hoot. Pretty nice for fall. All right. Okay, so I have 2 lippy sticks here. Really nice, pretty red. Ooh. Here it is. Red. Poison right here. A really nice, creamy formula. Then I have 2 lippy pencils. The first one is Field Day. The next one is called Ashton. Here it is. Field Day right here and Ashton here. Both of them are really nice. I think they're both really great for fall. And this lippy stick is also really great for fall. Up next is Ultra Glossy Lip. I do have those already. They are really nice. Oh, I think I might already have this one. But these are really nice glosses. They last a long time on your lips. And this one is called Irreplaceable. And then we have Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Doozy. I'm actually really happy I got this because last time when I got these a year ago, I actually didn't like the formula. So this gives me a chance to try them out again. Really pretty shade. Ooh. Here it is. And cute packaging. These are the Act Natural Defining Mascaras. Just a few more items. We have 2 BFF cream gel liners. This is Electric Daisy. Can we open it? Oh, the other one is a liquid liner. So here is Electric Daisy. This was a cream gel liner. And then the other thing that they sent is a liquid liner. I've actually never tried out Colourpop's liquid liners, so... Ooh. And it's called Make Love. Alright, let's see what this is. This is from Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil. So that's great, because I actually never tried their dry oil, so now I get a chance to try it out. That's great. Very pretty packaging. It's a nice glow, but at the same time, it also gives some shimmer. I don't use too much skincare, so I probably will not use this one. Resveratrol is found in wine grapes and rich in phytonutrients like polyphenols and antioxidants to help replenish and support skin's natural self-defense against external aggressors and free radical damage. Maybe I should start using it. Face milk. It's a little bit stronger than the other face milk, but it smells really good. Kind of smells a little bit like candy, but not too much like candy. All right, time for the very last product. This is body milk, avocado body milk. It actually looks like a milk carton. This is what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna put some on. It's way too botanical for me, and it's very strong. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to use that one. So, I mean, the last product was not that good for me, but everything else was great, and I'm very happy with my box. I think this was great to get all of these products at about 50% off. So I highly recommend it. If you love Colourpop products, if you want to explore more of their products, then this box is a thumbs up for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, click that like button. Leave me some comments. Are you going to order this Colourpop mystery box or not? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you generally like mystery boxes? Let me know. Thank you. Bye.